Welcome to the hair challenge in the year 2026. So we are starting a brand new year. Not only a brand new year, we're also going to be starting a new lunar year. Yes, you might have heard it, that people have been chatting a bit about this is the year of the one. So, that means a lot of things are going to get done. This is like new beginnings. Last year we shedded and we got rid of all that garbage and trash and we went through it. Actually, we thought 2025 was probably going to be better, but it just was like a continuing situation of like shedding. But I'm really positive about this year. Absolutely positive, because that's what we need. Positive vibes and positive outlook, and then new focus. So I really hope that you're focusing in on exactly what you want this year. Like, you have to want something so badly that you know you deserve it. Let's get into this hair challenge. Let me tell you a bit more about this focus and where I'm coming from with this hair challenge for you guys this year. So what I really want to focus on is getting to your hair like in a state where you're just happy and it's easy and it's simple and you could just do these treatments. They're ready, they're mixed, they're ready to go. All you have to do is wash, treat, and then condition it out, right? And use some really great leave-ins. Don't forget those good leave-ins, because you want to retain moisture, right? So this hair challenge is week by week for 6 weeks. We're going to be going through all the products that you will use that are actually super simple, easy to use, and get you results that you want. And with my support, we can personalize them, like specialize in like exactly how to get that treatment, exactly the way you want it with, my care here and you can have access to me during this whole challenge. So you could ask any questions. Like, there's no additional cost for that either. You are in this hair challenge to get exactly what you want. Especially since I saw a lot of clients coming back to Ayurvedic hair care. Like, we had COVID and we had all this transitional stuff and you made drop some things and like you really are like, I'm shedding this old past version of myself and I want to step into this new version of myself. And maybe I'm just talking about myself, but that's where I'm at. And I want you guys to be here on this journey. I mean, Hennasooq, 20 years of Hennasooq, right? So I'm really excited to go through this hair challenge with you guys. We're going to be using, again, these pre-made products. Look, it's simple. All you need is warm to hot distilled water. Clean hair, do the treatment, wash it up with your co-wash. Boom, you're done. And again, as I mentioned earlier, don't forget, you got to use good leave-ins. That's really important, because just doing the treatments and deep conditioning, you got to lock in that moisture afterwards. So I want to go over and through that with you. And this is really for all hair types, all hair textures. It is, because Ayurvedic hair care are herbs. And it's like any herbs or foods. Food is for everybody, right? Like plants on the earth, they're for everyone. You just got to use it in the right way that works best for you. So that's what we're going to do in this hair challenge. And I want you to look at your hair. I really want you to take a before photo. Not that you have to share it with me. It would be great, because I love seeing the before and after. Like opening a salon, when I see clients come back and I see their progress, it makes me so excited, because I'm like, wow, it's actually working. This is exactly why Hennasooq, Ayurvedic hair care, and henna works for everyone, because you can adjust it to meet your exact needs so easily. Need a little bit of moisture? Add some more aloe vera powder. Allergic to it? Just use some oil that's really moisturizing. There are so many options, so many things that you could do. So in this hair challenge, we are going to keep it as simple as possible, because I know you guys are busy and you're back out doing things, but it's the perfect time to do a hair challenge is right now. I really recommend you take that starting photo, keep it so that you can refer back to it after 6 weeks and you can look at it and see like, what do I see different? What are the results? What is how my hair is feeling? What did I like? What did I didn't like? What would I do again? Because it's important to write these things down, keep track, and know what direction you're going in. If you're not going to a natural hair salon and you're not regularly seeing a natural hairstylist and trichologist, like someone who helps support you in this natural hair care journey, you have to depend on yourself. You got to write it down so that way you can remember and refer back to what actually worked and what didn't, right? And I want you to have the best results possible, because a lot of things are small tweaks and you'd be surprised at how effective making a few small tweaks can be. So we got all the products we need for 6 weeks right here. year. Remember, make sure you're in the Facebook group. It's a private hair challenge group. Please take advantage of it, because a consultation with me alone is $45 for just 15 minutes. You have 6 weeks of uninterrupted access to me at no additional cost. Like, you can ask me any question and it's private. Nobody's watching us or monitoring us. The group is completely hidden. It's only accessed by the link. So make sure you please interact with the Facebook group. You know, I really want to know where you're at. The only way for me to make sure you're having really good results is through that, you know? So that's really, really important. I really want you to take advantage of that, okay? Because I'm here for you, but you got to be there too, so I can make sure you're doing okay, you know? So it's really, really important for that. So during this 6 weeks, you're gonna have your products, writing everything down. We're gonna go through week by week. If you miss a week, don't get overwhelmed, you know? But remember, this is only for 6 weeks. Once this time frame ends, it's gonna be shut down. Like, it's not gonna be available to you anymore. Make sure that you are absolutely at least watching all the videos. Take down notes, you know, like what you have to do. So if anything happens, because life happens, anything can happen, make sure you are ready and prepared to continue if by chance something wonky goes on in the 6 weeks, you know? So really, really do that. Just note that every Friday you'll get a new video. It'll expand slowly but surely as we go through everything, you know, bit by bit. You should have an extra week as well after that to like wrap everything up, take your ending photo, and then, you know, just review everything, be in the group with me, like talk about any concerns you had, anything. Even if you are not happy with something, I want your feedback. I want to hear from you, okay? So let's get into this. This is a new year. It's a very special time of year. We go into a lunar new year on February, I believe it's 17th or 18th, depending when the moon comes up in the new moon that shows us like when the year starts. And it's a very, very special year. You know, we're past the shedding. Last year was a snake. You know, we're past the shedding now. You know, we're shedding off all this stuff. And even if you don't believe in any of that stuff, just know the energy of that is real. It is what it is. You can't deny it. You know, you don't have to be a believer. And I just feel like there are many things in this universe that lead to what it is in this moment, you know? Like, we all feel it. I know we do. I'm just learning myself all over again. You know, many of us women have come to that. Some of us will get to that point as well. But just know that trust your instincts, trust your gut, always go with your heart, you know, because it never lies to you. And then we're gonna step into this new beginning, and it's gonna be fiery, you know, it's gonna be lit up. And then so I hope that you're ready for it. If you want to see really a lot of great videos too, check out the Hennasooq channel on YouTube. It has tons of videos and recipes and just so much great information. And I'll see you soon. And thank you from the bottom of my heart for taking part in this hair challenge. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.